Thank you for calling Insurance King. Car insurance quote. No problem. Actually, there is a problem. Please hold.
Sir?
What's the problem, Michael?
I'm trying to computer, sir.
You don't need that. I'm right here.
The computer, sir, is making noises.
Did you try the password?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's ridiculous. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Sorry to put you on hold. May the savings be with you.
Hey everybody, if you're having a good time watching us, please like, subscribe, and share us, because we're going to do more of these, and we're going to break more rules, we're going to have more fun, and now, back to fake news.